Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to my another video. I hope that you all are well. So today I will show some startup event from Gateio Exchanger, and I am in Gateio Exchanger in ongoing time. So thank you so much everyone for joining my video. So okay, for joining a startup, at first you need to click on this button, and after clicking on this button you can see that our second option is startup, token launch and airdrop platform. So simply click on it. Then after clicking on it, you will come in this page. You can see that there are the in progress time. It's mean after 23 hours this LAZYCAT startup will end. Then there are also LTD token startup. So after 1 day 13 hours later this startup will end. So before ending, everyone join LAZYCAT startup and also join this LTD token startup. So for joining, at first you need to click on it. Then after clicking on it, you will come in this page. There are hold GT and claim free. For be eligible, you need 10 GT to hold your spot wallet. So if you did not have 10 GT or you have 10 USD, then you are able for lucky draw. Simply click hold and GT, then click I have read and agreed subscription agreement, click hold GT and claim free. So done. Then there have also another startup project. Its name is LTD. So simply click on it. Then after clicking on it, okay, this is our LTD token. So if you have VIP 1 2 3 anything, then you are confirmed for the reward. And if you did not have VIP, if you have 10 USD spot wallet or assessed value, then you are eligible for lucky draw. So I have VIP 2, that's why I am eligible for 40 shares. So simply click on 0 free to claim, then click I have read and agreed subscription agreement, simply click 0 free to claim. Then the subscribe has been done. It's really great. So in ongoing time, everyone fast join these two startup, LTD token and LAZYCAT. So thank you so much everyone for watching my video.